Check it out, another good day at E217.
We need switches. You guys have three-way switches.
Today is 222.25, and we're learning about three-way switches. Check this baby out. Three-way switches, what we're learning today. And what I concluded is this is a three-way switch. This black one is called a common. So let's just say hot can come in here and hot can come out of here. These two brass color ones on the top, this is called traveler wires. So you literally just connect these two traveler wires to another identical switch, which also has two traveler wires, connect them together. And on that side, if hot's coming in here, then the hot's gonna come out to the light bulb on the top because neutral is already living on the light bulb on the top. So that's the plan. We're gonna show you this live in a little bit once we connect it all. But if I all right, so here. So if I got this right, we would just, well, these all colors are, so it'd be like this. A hot comes in here, two travelers leave into here,
And then power.
and then the power out here goes to the light bulb. All right.